we've overcome the evil one. Now in His grace let us abide and walk the path of God's own Son. Love not the world nor the things it holds dear, for the love of the Father makes all things clear. The lust of the eyes and the pride of this life are fading away into shadows and strife. This temporary world will soon pass away, but the one who does the will of God will abide forever and stay. The flesh may call with subtle themes to draw our eyes from heaven's sight, with earthly wealth and hollow dreams that vanish in the morning light. For none of these are from above. They cannot set the spirit free. Only the Father's enduring love can guide us to eternity. Love not the world nor the things it holds dear, for the love of the Father makes all things clear. The lust of the eyes and the pride of this life are fading away into shadows and strife. This temporary world will soon pass away, but the one who does the will of God will abide forever and stay. Softly building with reverence, His word is strong.